You're welcome, guys. So on this tutorial I want to quickly show you how to trade on PancakeSwap. Basically I want to practically buy XBC. So this is not limited to buying XBC. You can trade other shit coins or any tradable crypto assets on PancakeSwap. All right, my name is Emmanuel Jacob. So if this is the very first time of visiting my YouTube channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button to subscribe now, and don't fail to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you click on the bell icon to turn on post notification, so you'll be the very first person to be notified when next I drop subsequent videos. All right, so before we proceed, I'd like to disclaim that this is not a financial advice. If you are looking for advice or recommendations on crypto assets you should be trading, you need to consult your financial advisor. Your financial advisor is the right person in position to recommend what financial instruments you should invest your money in. All right, so without much ado, let's proceed. Okay, so this is how to buy XBC on Trust Wallet. So you click on browser, you click on, you search for PancakeSwap. I have it on my history. Then I'm going to connect wallets or connect my Trust wallet. Then I'm going to choose the currency by pasting the wallet address of XBC. Then I'll click on it. Then I'll input the amount of BNB I want to use in buying it. I want to use 0.1 BNB. Then this is I'm going to edit the slippage to 8%. Right? Then I'm going to click on swap. I'm going to click on confirm swap.
Delete the last digits and add 1.
Okay.
And swap again. Up to go through.
Click on send. So we are waiting for the call. Yeah, so it has been executed. So this is how you can buy XBC using Trust Wallet on PancakeSwap. All right, thank you so much for your time. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.